What's up, everybody? Welcome to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we're going to look a little bit behind the scenes as well as announcing our winner for the Star Wars Stormtrooper by UBTech giveaway. Now this here is actually my studio, as you can probably already notice. So just kind of walking you guys around, showcasing everything we really haven't seen too much of. Now these here are arcade 1-up machines that we have, so of course Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, and Pac-Man. And then this little thing over here is actually a fireplace, but it's actually made out of water vapor, so it's actually kind of cool. So you can see, like, even if I put my hand down here, you don't get burned. It's just literally water vapor coming up, and using a variety of different lights and tricks, it actually makes it look like real fire. So you get that cool looking effect. So anyways, we just had this built not too long ago, but this here is the studio, or our lounge as we like to call it.
Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Farra, farra, farra. Farra, farra, farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra.
So you notice that we've been filming in here a lot lately. Just kind of turn on the lights here, but you can see how it looks cool in the dark. So you got like all these background lights. I did this all myself. You got Xbox hooked up over there and stuff of that nature. So let's turn this on. So let's just start away from the left and kind of work our way around the room. So on the wall here, you'll see that I kind of have some of the RC cars that we reviewed before on the wall. Kind of look like they're racing. That's actually kind of cool looking setup. Almost looks like they're actually racing on the wall. And then you got our VR setup, of course. So this here's the Htc Vive. I do a lot of VR gaming, a lot of fun. And then we have our 50-inch Samsung widescreen TV monitor, which is actually a lot of fun. You can actually go ahead and like place 3 or 4 different screens at once. We have our RGB keyboard, mouse, and our computer. Now I have this one custom built. You got the Infinity case, and then you can see we have ourselves a GTX 1080 Ti graphic card, so we can go ahead and play all our VR gaming. We also have a mic and then a camera, which I was actually going to do some live streaming at one point. Now we got ourselves a Logitech nice steering wheel. I have this set up for Project Cars 2, so I do VR gaming in that. It's a lot of fun. And then this stuff here is pretty old too. So we have this here is a clock, and then of course this right here. I don't know if you guys remember this, but we did this a long time ago. But it's a great display piece. So you just take the magnet just like this, and then you can go ahead and affect it just like that. And if you do it this way, you'll see that whatever particles are in there, it tracks it, and you let it go. So pretty cool. But I'm just gonna put that back for right now. Now on the wall here we have our 100,000 subscriber award. Obviously we're past that. We're at 200,000, a little over 250 right now. So definitely thank you guys for that. Look at that. And then we have a few different things. We have a skateboard, we have a fridge, we have a robotic suitcase, got these custom YouTube pillows, and of course a leather couch, kind of making it nice and spazzy. We have a fireplace on the wall with LED background. Well, we did this a long time ago in terms of review goes. And then this here is my most valuable possessions, as I guess you can say. So this here is the most expensive robot I have. It's about 15 grand for this robot right over here. So this here's a Now robot. I actually did purchase this off used market, but definitely makes a great showpiece and one of my favorites. And then we have our Cosmo collection over here. Rest in peace. So you have all the different variations of the Cosmo, including the custom gold one that we made a while back. And then here is this year's Provision's the Egg, which is the egg drone. Definitely one of my favorite looking drones and makes a great piece to look at. Now over here we have our Conflict logo painted on the wall, so I painted that myself. I'm a bit of an artist myself, if you guys haven't already known. And then over here we have Elf. This here is a robot, almost like a butler, I guess you can say. It's a lot of fun, especially when he's all charged up and ready to play. So over here we have our Conflict business cards, and then down here we have some little nostalgic pieces that we reviewed a long time ago. And then as we move about, we have our wall of robots. So this here is all my favorite robots, which we reviewed over the time being. So we have Zeus, T9, Super Anthony, Lego Voltron, not Super Anthony, Alpha 1S Pro, Leo, Super Anthony, Bioloid, T5, Ginker, Lynx, XYZ, Boylid? I forgot that robot name. Dobby, Robo Hero. Oh my gosh, there's so many in here. But yes, kind of gives you an idea of what that is about. Now, if you guys had a question in terms of which is my most favorite robot out of all of them, I have to say it, probably Super Anthony right over here. Definitely a fun robot, followed by, of course, T9, Zeus, and probably Ginker, and of course Cosmo as well. Now, as you rotate about, we have Beast Kingdoms set up over here. So these are all the different Beast Kingdom characters that we reviewed. So we have, Thanos, Iron Man, etc. These here are part of the Egg Attack collection. Definitely very cool, very detailed characters. Now, on the bottom here, we have my old Supra, which I actually just sold not too long ago. This is our RC car. And then over here, we have Xbox set up to the wall. And then we have these cool looking miniature arcade machines, which we've previously reviewed as well. So you got like Pac-Man, and you got Tempest and Centipede. So this here is the room where we do a lot of just more or less like a trophy room, I would say. Now, where do we actually film? Well, you notice that there's a lot of white background, so let's go there next. So as we kind of walk around, you'll see that this room here is my filming room. Now, this here's where we do our robotic battles. So you can see that I have a nice setup for that. So we have a lot of the old robots that we reviewed before, kind of going around. You can see all the different kinds. You got Einstein, probably the most creepiest robot that I have. And then you have an extra Robo Hero, the fake Ginker robot, Hamku. And then we have a few other ones as well. And then back here, we actually have a lot of the Lego sets that we previously reviewed, a lot of collectible items. So definitely stuff that I don't want to get rid of, but I don't really have any place to display them. So this is where we do all our battles. And then we have some more storage. This here's all regarding the new Detective Pikachu set that we reviewed. We got Iron Man robot over here from Ubitech. And this here's the setup where I film. Now, we have a 3D printer, which I was just reviewing not too long ago, so I'll be making a video on that. And this here is what I see when I review it, which is a lot of fun. Let me just turn on the light. There we go. Oh! So I got a full light setup. Filming with the Canon 80D, in case you were wondering. And then I have a spot up there for another camera that shoots down, and I kind of record it simultaneously. Now, in case you guys are ever wondering, why do people use this? Well, here's a good educational tip. So what you do is, as soon as you hit record on all the cameras, you do this. Whoop, can't do it with one hand. And then you look for the spike in the video, and you line them up all right away, so you don't have to like kind of line up the audio in terms of the different angles that you're using. So just keep that in mind. And we have another tripod, and then this here is our wall of products that we have yet to review. We have a bunch of stuff back here, so we're just constantly trying to keep up with all the different things that we have to review. So yeah, that is our filming studio. Now it comes down to the final decision of who wins our robot giveaway. So let's just go ahead and go back into this room here. So I have this video set up. So this here's the free Robot Stormtrooper giveaway. We did do a live announcement, but I guess the winner did not announce himself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a winner right in front of all you guys. So let's see here. Alrighty. So, you know what? We'll go with this guy right over here. Benjamin Benrater. Wow, that is a good one. I'm waiting for the unboxing. Yeah, unfortunately we won't be making the unboxing video anymore because Ubitech is holding off on that. But you, my friend, are the winner. I've actually seen you quite a few times commenting on all my videos. So I think that's actually a good choice to go with. Again, just please, if you do see this video, make sure you comment down below here saying that you sent me an email. Alrighty, well, kind of gives you an idea of what that is. So congratulations, I hope you enjoy your robot, and if you can go ahead and make a video on it and send a picture, we'd greatly appreciate it. But yes, this here is Conflict Studio, and thank you again for watching. If you guys had any questions about my studio or anything at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.